Discounting a promissory notes. Promissory notes is a legal document signed by a borrower to obtain a loan and repay to the lender. It is a negotiable document that is bought by the lender, and at the same time it can be sold by the lender before it matures to a third party for a cash or a repay of the debt. So since the third party buy the notes that promises to pay a sum of money before maturity, so the third party discounted the note and decide the value to pay for it. So what does it mean by discounting a note? Is the process of finding the value of a note before it matures. Discount date is the date that the note been sold. Proceeds is the value of the note after the discount. Okay, let's go for the timeline of the promissory notes and the bank discount. So as I mentioned earlier, the P value is the face value, S is the maturity value, that is S in bracket P in S equal to P in bracket 1 plus RT. Okay, proceeds is H equal to S in bracket 1 minus DT. Okay, so maturity value is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus RT. Proceeds is H equal to S in bracket 1 minus DT. Okay, I think this should be okay. Then discount will be SDT. Okay, let us look into one of the example 4 here in page 177. So this is the extension from example 3. Again, promissory note dated 15 May 2008 for 1,600 at an interest of 12% and due on 70 days. The add-on here is the note was sold on 20 June 2008 for a discount of 10%. So what is the maturity date? This one we already explained in example 3 just now. Is your 15 May plus 70 days. So you can calculate for, this is actually for May 2008, right? Okay, on May 2008. So you have 16 days. Then after that, the whole June 2008, 1 to 30 days. So 1 to 30 is 30 days. So total up this is already 46 days. Am I right? So the balance will still have 24. So meaning to say that the maturity date will be on 24th of July 2008. Now, how about the maturity value then? Okay, so maturity value maturity value will be using S equal to, it will be using S equal to PRT. So substitute everything, so you get your answer. So again, as usual, okay, so 1 plus 0.12, solve the one in bracket first. Okay, divide by 360. Again, do remember using Banker's rules. Okay, so equal, okay, then multiply with 1600. So you get your answer. Okay, and don't forget to write down the unit RM. Okay, now how about the discount rate then? Okay, so the discount rate, because questions already tell you it have been sold on the 20 June and 24th is the 24th July 2008 is the maturity date. So how you supposed to calculate the period of time? So you just get the date allocated within the time. Okay, so for June, because it's starting on 20th, right? So 20th to 30th, so how many days? 10 days. So after that, 1st of July until 24th of July, the maturity date is 24 days. So total up, so you got 34 days for that period of time. Okay, so how to calculate proceeds then? Do remember proceeds is H equal to S in bracket 1 minus dt. So substitute back the value. Okay, so again, okay, substitute the value in. Okay, so as I always said, solve the one in bracket first, easier. So 1 minus 0.10 in bracket 34, because 34 days, right? Again, using banker's rule, so 360. So you have your answer. Then multiply with 1637.33. So you got 1621.87. Do round off it into two decimal places. And don't forget to put your RM sign. Okay, so that's it for example 4. Thank you.